Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 9th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, anyways, on gold, we made a very impulsive move down today at the 238. This morning, I was saying that this could be an area of resistance and it could cause a bigger move down, but we really don't know until it actually does. We did get an impulsive down, we did get a breaker structure, then we did get a little bit of an equal top with another breaker structure. So, maybe the wave three is finally over. I still don't really think we have enough evidence to say for sure that the wave three is over, but we definitely do have enough evidence to say that we are likely either in a bigger pullback. Maybe it'll end up doing something like this, making a much larger three-way pullback, or maybe it's finally in that wave four on the higher time frames, which potentially would last about 10 trading days if that really is what it is. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.